Hi, I'm Drew Moyer, and this is how to use logs and powers. The logarithm of a number is simply the exponent to which the base must be raised in order to produce that number. Let's take a look at some examples. So let's say we have log base